To my left here, I have a DC high output K24 alternator. And to my right, I have my K24A2 alternator that was, I believe, purchased from AutoZone. Now, can you guys tell me which one is the correct one? Or are there just two different type of alternators for the K24A2? One has this type of configuration where you see it's like a cross. This one's more like a square. This fit just fine on my K24 A2. With this DC alternator, I'm having interference problems, as you can see here. So here's the DC alternator placed up on top of that bracket. The interference is right here at that bar. So since this is hitting this, it won't allow it to sway enough to be able to be mounted to the bottom bracket that I have here. So what this does is basically doesn't allow me to get it nicely mounted up. Anybody have any tips on what to do?